Assalamu alaikum 6th class. I hope you will be fine. Today we will learn computer education. Unit number 1, Introduction to Computer. What is a computer? When someone says the word computer, you may think of a machine that looks like this. Look at this picture. It is a computer. It is called monitor. It is called system unit. It is called speakers. It is called mouse, and it is called keyboard. A computer is an electronic machine which processes raw data input into meaningful information output, and also stores the output for later use. These are different categories of computer: palm top, PDA, smartphone, tablet PC, personal computer, notebook, laptop, supercomputer. Data and information. A collection of facts and figures is known as data. It can be in form of text, number, image, audio and video. Look at this picture. This is a process. Processing is an action in which computer converts data into information. Computer takes data in this picture, as you can see, and after processing it's converted into information. Advantages of using computer. Speed is the most important character of a computer. The computer can perform billions of calculations in a fraction of a second. Accuracy. Computer is an accurate and never make mistakes. Diligence. Besides being fast, a computer can do things over and over again. Storage. Computer have large storage capacity. Versatility is the key benefit of using computers. A user can perform variety of tasks with a computer, like drawing picture, writing stories. Components of computer. Hardware and software. There are the components of computer. Hardware refers to all physical parts of computer that we can see and touch. CPU, scanner, monitor, keyboard, speakers, printers are hardwares. We can see and touch it. A computer cannot perform tasks with hardware alone. It needs software too. Software is the set of instructions given to the computer to perform a specific task. Look at this picture. These are the types of software. Input device. Keyboard is input device. Keyboard is the most commonly used input device. It allows to user type alphabet, number, symbols into the computer. Look at this picture. It is a picture of keyboard. These are the functional keys. These are the alphanumeric keys. These are the cursor control keys. These are the numeric keys.